What I'm hearing is it would make
Carson on the DM. I say what goes and I say what doesn't go.
Bowen, what I'm hearing is life would be made more.
You be the DM when you want to make all the decisions.
Hey, I volunteered. You guys said I didn't.
Would life be made more wonderful for you if people were also able to give their input to Carson's ideas? Tommy, stop! I'm trying to mediate something.
I'm fine if Carson's not playing. That's okay.
Well, I want to try to mediate the conflict.
Carson doesn't ever try to resolve a conflict, so we should probably just drop it.
How the hell would you know?
Well,
because I've been in conflicts with you all the time. I would know exactly how you act.
Well, I want to make life more wonderful for everybody.
Just drop it. Carson doesn't care about this resolving. I can guarantee you that. Anyway.
Well, let's just say that Carson left and he didn't die and it can be resolved later. Would you be willing to agree to that, Bowen?
Maybe.
Yes, he's where I want him.
It depends.
Well, Carson's character is chaotic and he does what he wants, so he killed the... Tommy, please stop.
I'm done.
I give respect, Tommy.
I know, I'm
It makes me feel frustrated
I know,
because...
Kevin, I just wanted to get that on camera. Okay?
I accept that, but I'd like to make a point that I act in a way that I feel is respectful.
I know.
Okay.
I'm Kevin. Kevin, I'm sorry.
Alright.